Patchouli is steam distilled from the rich green leaves of the patchouli bush and has a rich, earthy, woodsy scent. It is great for meditation, relaxation, and reducing nervous tension and worry. Patchouli is an excellent fragrance for men's products and can help combat odors. Also, when used in skincare products, patchouli can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, scars, and blemishes. For me, the best ways to use patchouli are: first, I like to use patchouli to help combat shoe odor by adding 2 drops of patchouli to 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix that together and then sprinkle into stinky shoes. It really helps remove foot odor. Another way I use patchouli is in a yoga mat spray to help me feel grounded and centered. But perhaps my favorite way to use patchouli is in a DIY balm for reducing the appearance of scars and skin blemishes. As I mentioned, patchouli is a favorite among men for its rich, woody, earthy scent. Here is an easy DIY aftershave recipe that not only will he enjoy, but so will you. For this recipe, you will need 4 ounces of grapeseed carrier oil, 1 ounce of MEADOWFOAM carrier oil, 15 drops of steam distilled lime, 8 drops of cedarwood Texas, and 7 drops of patchouli. Mix all the ingredients together. Rub about a dime-sized amount between your palms and apply to the face after shaving. Store any unused portion in a glass bottle or container in a cool, dry place. Patchouli has been used around the world for centuries. It's a versatile oil that you will definitely want to always have on hand.